Welcome. In this tutorial, we will cover an overview of the admin section of the website. First thing we're going to do is go to the URL provided, /administrator, type in your username and password, hit login. As you'll see at the top left, we're using Joomla. Joomla is what we call a content management system. It gives you the ability to make changes to your website without knowing HTML, which is the programming language behind it, as well as PHP. Over here, we're going to see there's different menu items. One is called Site. This is for the overall configuration of the site. So, for example, under User Manager, what you may want to do is log in here, click on the name of the username, and change the password. Likewise, if you want to create any new users on the site, people that you want to provide temporary access to, you click New, set up a temporary access to them, and set their group level. Super Administrator gives someone complete access over the site. Otherwise, you can make them a manager, administrator, and so forth. Global configuration is something you usually just set up one time. This is going to contain some of the basic meta information about your site, all that Google SEO stuff. Some of it goes in here, others go on a page per page basis. Menus. Under main menu, this covers anything that's up here in the top of the website, this home, about me, services, and so forth. If you'd ever want to create a new link, a new section to the website, it would be done over here. Content. In the regular web world, we tend to call these pages over here, about me and services, so forth, web pages. Joomla calls them articles. So if you want to, for example, go in and change the About Me section, this web page, you would go over to the Content Article Manager and click About Me. As you can see, here's the text and the image for the page. You just make any changes you want. Again, you'll see that this has the same WYSIWYG interface for like Microsoft Word uses for being able to make things bold, underline, and so forth. Make your changes and hit Apply or Save. Apply will leave the page open. Save will continue to save your information, but it will close this window out. Components. Again, components are any small little programs that we have running to assist. So, for example, we have a forum on here, or we call it the reading room, which is a forum. That's again going to be under components. Q new forum is the location for that. Extensions you'll almost never need to use. Tools likewise, and help. QNO control panel. You can look, there are a lot of different settings for this. So we'll cover this in a separate tutorial. This concludes this tutorial on an overview of the site administration.